Hey friends, hi, I'm Srishti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what are the new lipstick in the drugstore. Recently, like different drugstore brands comes with different formula of lipstick in the year 2016, and I have been using all this lipstick from last 1.5 months. And today I thought to share with you all what's my feeling on all this. And yeah, today I'm going to talk about 6 new lipstick. Out of them, the 5 are matte liquid lipstick, which is absolutely a new trend in the market. Everyone is talking about matte liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. So I thought to share with you all what are the new in the drugstore and what's my feeling about this lipstick. So if you want to know a quick swatches and quick review on this and what are the new lipstick, then keep on watching. The first lipstick we are going to talk about is the Revlon Ultra HD lipstick. It comes in 8 shades and it's retail for $7.99. If I'll come to the packaging, I just love it. It's little different from other lipstick in the drugstore, and the applicator is also very normal like other lipsticks. If I'll come to the pros and cons about this lipstick, it's very smooth, pigmented and creamy. It's more kind of a gloss. It's easily glide on your lips. It's having a smell. If you're a person who loves scent on your lipstick, then you are definitely going to love this lipstick. And it's lasts for 3 to 4 hours. After that, it's faded away, but it leaves some stains, so it will look like you are having the lipstick, but after that it's need little touch up. It's more of a gloss while applying, but after some hours it's like a matte, but not so much, and it's easily transferable. The next one is the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and it's from their Color Sensational range, and it's retail for $6.99 to $7.99. And if I'll come to the packaging, it's a quite nice packaging. It's a see-through so that you can choose your shade from outside. And if I'll come to the pros and cons, like it is very comfortable, smooth and pigmented. It's not a long last lipstick. It's not a total matte lipstick. It's look like a gloss from the beginning, but after that it sit on your lips and it's look like a matte lipstick. It's having a floral scent which I don't like in the beginning, but after a few minutes it's go away. But if you're a person who loves some scent on your lipstick, then you are definitely going to love this lipstick. It's nicely go like 3-4 hours, but after that it's need little touch up and it's easily transferable. The next one is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. It's retail for $7.99 to $9.99. It comes in 10 shades, and if I'll come to the packaging, I love the packaging. It's also see-through so that you can choose your shades, and most importantly, I love the applicator. It's like a arrow, so that it will very easy to define your lips while applying. If we'll see the good side and bad side about this lipstick, then it's a creamy, velvety and so much pigmented lipstick. It's very nicely glided on your lips. It will go nicely up to 4 to 5 hours. After that it's need little touch up. It's having a chemical smell which I don't like, but depend on the person. It's not a matte lipstick, it's more kind of a gloss, but I love the formula of this lipstick. It's not sticky, which I absolutely love. The next one is the Rimmel The Only One lipstick. Is retail for $5.99. It comes in 12 shades. If I'll come to the packaging, I'm not a big fan of the packaging of this lipstick. We will talk about the pros and cons. It's very creamy, very smooth to apply. It's long last for 7 to 8 hours, which I like. It smells like some kind of flower or candy, which I don't like, but it's not long last. It's sticky, otherwise it's a good lipstick and it does transfer. The next lipstick is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick. It's retail for $2.99 to $4.99. It comes in 12 set, and it will come to the packaging. As per the price, the packaging is quite good. And the applicator, I just love the applicator. It's like a pointed applicator which is very easy to define your lips. And if I'll come to the good thing about this lipstick, it smells like a vanilla buttercream, which I like, but it will not long last for a long time. And if I'll come to the price, it's very affordable in a drugstore range, but the colors are, though creamy, it's not pigmented. It's you need to put some good layer to get the actual shade from this lipstick. It's very lightweight and it's long last for 4 to 5 hours and it doesn't transfer. And if I'll come to the cons, it's little dry, but it depends on the preferences, and it's little sticky, which I don't like about this lipstick. And as it feathers, you need to use a lip liner for this lipstick. The last lipstick we are going to talk about is the Milani Amore lipstick. It's retail for $8.99 and it comes in 10 shades. And if I'll come to the packaging, it's quite good like other lipstick, and the applicator also is quite simple. The good thing about this lipstick is it's smooth, pigmented and creamy, and it doesn't transfer, but it's also very difficult to remove this lipstick. You need to use a waterproof makeup remover to remove this lipstick from your lips. And if I'll come to the smell, it smells like kind of buttercream vanilla, which some people like, which some people don't like, and it looks like little shining, but after that it gradually dry off, and it's total a dry lipstick, and it's good lipstick in the drugstore as a matte lipstick for those people who are looking for a good matte lipstick in the drugstore. These are the 6 lipstick today I talked about, and if I'll come to my choice, I like the most the L'Oreal Paris Infallible and the Revlon HD. These are the lipstick I like because I'm not a person who will like the dry matte lip color. I like little pigmented, creamy, and which is not sticky. So these are the lipstick which is like in that category. But if you're looking for a like total dry matte lip color, I'll suggest this two. This one is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lip color, and the second one is Amore Matte Lip color. And now in my lips I have the Amore Matte Lip color, and if I'll show you, this one is totally non-transferable. And if you're looking for a real matte lip color, then I think these two are for you. And I don't like one thing about this lipstick is it's kind of sticky, but if you're compromising this one thing, everything is good about this lipstick is it's so much cheap, and this one is a real matte lip color. And as for the price, this one can beat all the lipsticks. So yeah, I'll suggest this lipstick if you're looking for a total matte lip color in the drugstore range. And this one is actually you should try because it's only $2.99 and depends on the store you are purchasing. This 4 lipstick will go to the category which is creamy, pigmented and non-sticky and like little glossy, not total matte. So these 4 are for you. So this is the end of this video, and hope this video will be helpful for you all. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yes, talk to you soon. Bye.